too loud. Alright guys, there's another DIY video from the Alex. Alright, just was doing some cleaning at home while my wife was away with little children. So what I figured out, vacuuming, when you stretch this thing out to the it just goes back in again. So I decided to create something to fix this problem. Alright, so what I did, I just got I just didn't feel like buying a new vacuum cleaner, so I decided to fix it with this little strip. So I put, actually there are two. One is a little bit thinner, another thicker, and most of the vacuums they have this bit to fix whatever. I don't know what they want to fix there, but anyway, it works very well. They just put it right there. It doesn't go, so you can do your cleaning, no problemos. Thank you very much, guys. I hope my video was helpful for you. Put your likes and probably comments. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.